In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily clean up your Gmail inbox. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video, shall we? Alright, open up your Gmail, and as you can see, I'm inside my Gmail, I'm logged in, and I'm getting a lot of emails from certain companies. So for this instance, your Indeed job feed is spamming me. So to clean up all these emails, in particular your Indeed job feed, what you want to do is right click on that email, and then you want to click on find emails from that certain company or person. So for this example, I'm going to click on find emails from your Indeed job feed. And now you can see all the emails, 1 to 50. I think there's about 50 emails from this company. So to clean up all of these, what you want to do is check the box up on the top left hand corner, and then you just want to click on trash and delete that like so, and just keep going through like this, and you can see my emails are getting smaller and smaller. So just keep doing that to those particular companies to clean up your Gmail.